wasn't supposed to be like this. I think it's supposed to be like this.
Here we have the electric bead spinner kit. The electric bead spinner kit is a really awesome kit that includes all the small beads and all the accessories to spin the beads. So we've got our string, and we're going to load the string up. These hooks.
I got the little, if any beads come out, I will use this little thing. I can pick this. I'll do some more beads. We're missing. This one doesn't.
It's a really awesome electric bead spinner set, and we can easily spin up all our beads and get them on the string in no time. And it works really great with the micro beads, and we have lots of colors and options and lots of cool things to do with our bead set. So the kids can make their own jewelry really easy, quick and easy, really awesome jewelry, and they can trim it up and do it all. You do it yourself. So a really awesome project, keep hours of entertainment and lots of fun, and able to make the bead sets super quick and spin them up and get them strung in no time.
Look, it's a sonic ring.
Yep, and we have sonic rings.
Sonic rings.
You love this toy?
Yes.
Pretty awesome, lots of fun. And these hooks will connect to our string, and then we'll be able to place it into the bead spinner.
Yeah.
And
I have a place. Okay.
to spin the beads onto the string. So we will set up, we've got a black and a white string included. We've got our clips included and our scissors and our wide assortment of beads and bead colors, and we'll be able to put those individually into the
I want the
packets.
rainbow and the golden. There could be 3 beads for you.
Here.
Okay.
You can select your packets. It also has the letters and numbers and the heart beads, and then our fasteners to connect our bracelets or necklaces.
Snippy snip.
So we're going to spin up some beads and try it out.
Look, it's a little snippy snip.
So with the string,
I think this is snippy snip. It's
we'll
what
pull off enough to make a bracelet. Hold on.
Okay.
Everything's included, and we'll be able to put that through our hook. Get that mounted, and then we'll be able to load the bead spinner, and we will start with the multicolored beads.
Do we have to cut it?
Yep. You just turn the lid upside down.
One
Pour
drop.
those in.
One drop.
And we can
That's
put
how-
the lid in its proper position.
There's more, Dad.
It goes this way. There's no more, only one color.
But
And we can plug it
it
up to
said we
USB
can
power.
do it 1 out of 3. But it said we can do it 1 out of 3, Dad.
So then you have your spinner control on the wire.
Go crazy. Go make it crazy.
We can increase the speed, or we can reduce the speed, and we can also change the rotation to the other direction. So whichever direction you want to work at, then you will place your threaded string.
Spinny spin.
So we've loaded our beads, and we've got our string attached to the hook. So we'll use the short end and start
I got it.
catching. we've got it caught on the
Very
string.
snippy snip again.
And we'll take the short end and start catching our beads in the spin. So as the spinner spins, you want to kind of get right on the surface of the beads inserted, and it will work pretty quick and good. And you kind of dip up so you don't drop your beads back off. And once you have your beads loaded, then you can slide them down directly onto the string.
I want to do it with different colors.
So we hold our string on there and then push the beads down onto the string.
Wow.
And it makes it nice and secure and tight on the rubberized string. It gives you a nice bracelet, so you can start out real easily.
I want to do it too, Dad. So we can put, you can put 3 different beads of it, and it will go great. Put them in there.
So we want to expand our band out, and she's going to try it.
I want to try it too.
There you go. Here, scoop them up.
Put them out.
Use the little end.
Then can you help me, please?
Use the little end and scoop up the beads.
Can you help me, please?
So here, try it.
Can you help me, please, now?
Scoop them up, scoop them up.
How?
Like that.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
can do it. Pull it kind of flat. So the beads just attract right onto the string and easily fit.
That's it.
All right, come on. Ready? So here we have our charms. And we can add a charm.
I want to
To our
pick one.
link.
I want to pick one, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to pick one. I want the cherry.
All right.
The cherry looks very cool. The cherry looks very cool. How do
So put our clasp on.
How do you put the charm in? Oh, up, I'll do it. I see. I got it. Boop. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's so cute. The little cherry is like so cute. And then you have like another little charm. Is that another little charm? I don't know. I saved a little bit.
So we thread up the beads. And when you get some on there, and then twist it.
How do I do it correctly?